No ways. It's you again. Jeez, I haven't seen you guys in a long time. Yo, I'm going fishing. Ooh. Like, come on. I haven't been fishing for a good while now. It's not that I've wanted a break or anything like that. Just a lot of stuff came up in life that needed my attention and just didn't really have the time to get out there and fish. So yeah, finally myself and Juan the toy, we're gonna go out for a kickboat session of the Pisces Predators. Yeah, at Nigel, one of our little private dams that we have access to. This dam, I think many of you will know, especially my OGs who have been with the channel for a good while. We used to fish these little parts of the dam where we're going now years ago, and we had access to it as an outcast club. It was our original first piece of water that was part of our club, and we are going to go fish it a bit today. And yeah, it's looking good. Juan was there yesterday checking it out, and there are some big fish swimming around. So hopefully we can find a few big fish, and hopefully I can play with some topwater today. It's been a while, but I would love to catch on. Whatever is biting, whatever they want to bite on, I'll be happy to catch on. But if we can hit some topwaters today, that would be lovely. But yeah, hopefully it is a good video. Hopefully the fishing is good, because I need it. I need to have some smelly fingers, if you know what I mean. Well, yeah, let's catch you on the water. As soon as we get there, I'll let you guys know and we can carry on. Enjoy! Made it out onto the water finally, after such a good long while. Out here with Juan, fishing this beautiful piece of water. Let's get on it.
Bite on the side?
No, they saw you probably. We've just got you, and Juan's already on a fishy. Whew! And not on that same bait.
Yep.
So let's try it. Nice. Yes, look how little chunky that thing is. I forgot how chunky these little fish get you. Oh, nice fish. Yo. Yo, what a fish! Holy shit! Huh? Fuck, I haven't caught a fish like this in a long time. Woo! Holy shit, look at that! Yes, dude, and it's in a nice, a bit longer one, so it's like decent. Yo. 1.9, 1.88, 1.9. Almost 2 kilos. Hey. If you can see it from this, 1.86, 1.87, 1.89, 1.91. Let's call it 1.9. 1.9. That's not a bad first fish. Shut up, bro. This is really a nice fish, eh? I'm good. Yeah. Yes, that felt so good. Box nicely as well. Those sizes always box lekker, eh? There you go. Nice. Yeah, no, that's like a 800 with a fat belly, so it's 1.3, 1.5. Now what? 1.2, 1.3. What's your? Yeah, and it's just because it's fat. Because if it was skinny, it would be an 800 fish. That's what I like about holding on that bloody crab. I think. Yeah, but that other one felt good. This one. Hey, listen, a fish is a fish. I like it. Catching, that's all that matters. Oh, belly hook as well. Don't shake, don't shake, don't. Yes, they're all belly thicker.
It's proper bass.
Yes, man. Hey, what a cool fish.
Gotcha.
There we go, double up. Smaller guys, but you know, you can't call me later.
I bought those jerk baits and the pole was like, I want another 10 of them, please.
Oh my word, love this. Oh, it's a nice one actually. I thought it was small. Holy moly. There's another 2 kilo, bro. Maybe just under. Yeah. Woo! Holy shit. How much you weigh? That'll be nice. If it's close to 2 kilo, if you catch a couple of 2 kilos, that's lekker, dude. It's been a while since you catch a couple of really good fish. again 185. Yeah, let's call it 18. Yeah, 185, 186. Another 19, bro. Hey, 2 fish in just under 2 kilos. What a great start.
Yes, sir.
Look at this there in the farm dam, but look.
How to take properly, huh?
Yes.
I mean, that's how many fish in that area?
Yo, I don't know.
So, that's number 5.
Yeah. There's another big fish. No, it's not so big, but lekker. Oh, nice. Bit my bait, bastard. A bit of another longish fish, but not. Probably will still weigh in like 1.5. These buggers. Look at that. What a day so far. Hey? I don't know. There's a lot here. This one I got almost close to the reeds, right on the reeds. As it dropped, boom.
Not a bobber. He's a bass. I mean, I'd say keep it a drop of grass.
Nice.
You've got scale this.
Yeah. Little photo. Put it up in the air. Mooi man.